This is a 2021 Denali Duramax before a chrome delete with the all-new body liner. So we're gonna take every single chrome piece off of this truck and spray it with the all-new body liner. Body liner is the latest advancement in liner technology. It's sprayed just like paint, but has liner technology, and it's super strong. It's the best thing to coat chrome with, color match your truck with, and it gives protection that is going to last. So when you see this truck next, it's gonna look completely different. We're gonna be taking all the chrome off. We're gonna even spray the factory flares, and it's just gonna change the look of this truck drastically. We're gonna be taking the grill, fog light bezels, front bumper bezels, emblems, the factory flares. We're gonna be spraying it all black body liner and completely blacking this truck out with body liner. All right, guys, I have a 2021 Denali Duramax sitting behind me. This thing just finished up. We went above and beyond on this truck. There is way more than just the lift wheels and tires, and I'm gonna break it down for you. So I will start out with the obvious of this truck does have a 3-inch rough country Vertex lift kit. It has 22-inch Fuel Typhoon wheels with a 35 1250 22 Predator XAT tire. I got these body liner logos to put on this truck. It's a very new product to us. We're trying to get the knowledge out to you guys and show you what this product can do. Transform a vehicle, upfit a vehicle, make it look like something that's never been done before, and last. With the lifetime no peel warranty, you don't have to worry about coating chrome or plastics. You can spray your whole mirror and it's going to last. So this truck we're gonna have on site here at PSA. It'll be here all the time. You guys will be able to come see it in person, put your hands on it, and really get to know this product, because it's not going anywhere anytime soon. So on the back of the truck, they have smoked taillights in the truck. It makes it look very nice, not those bright red ones. Inside the bumper, the rear bumper step has been sprayed with body liner. The emblems have been sprayed with body liner as well. And then we are rocking Truxedo Sentry CT tonneau cover on this truck too as well. On the side, you can see the factory flare has been coated. It's color matched, it's blacked out. We went with the gator back offset mud flaps. We even took those apart and sprayed the Denali plates on those with body liner. When we had the flare apart, we used the Boost Auto Parts smoked lights in the fenders, along with the mirrors, and the cab lights are a smoked light too as well. So this thing's completely blacked out. There's a ton of body liner on it, and we're going to show you exactly what pieces have been sprayed and show you how this stuff matches and how it holds up. So along the side, the factory fender badge was taken apart. It is sprayed with body liner. I already told you guys the flare was sprayed. The mirror cap is sprayed. The trim piece on the power step is sprayed. On the mud flap, it was taken apart. The back plate is sprayed with body liner. The door handles have been sprayed. And the rear step taken apart and sprayed. We didn't do the step part, but it is two pieces, so the outside has been sprayed. And that is pretty much it on the side of the truck. The front end was sprayed with the body liner. The hood scoop was sprayed. The grill was sprayed. The GMC badge was sprayed. The lower tow hooks around is sprayed. The actual tow hooks itself are sprayed. And then the fog light bezels are sprayed too as well. If you guys are in the area, stop by the shop. This truck will be here in person pretty much every day. So if you want to see it up close in person, stop by. We'd gladly show you the product. We'd gladly show you on this truck. And to be honest with you, you'd want to see it in person. I think the way the writing is, but I think it's straight.
That's a fucking struggle. I wish there was two pieces and spaced out with the thing in the middle.
What?
Like if she made the logo in the right thing and just didn't put the space in.
Well, what I'm thinking is we can get two pieces of tape or like a piece of green tape and go and make our banner line and then line this up. Sheesh. What's it look like on the inside? Sitting in there. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. We can just peel it off after we... You don't need that back on there.
I know, I just wanted to get a measurement off or something. Fuck, I don't know if we could have did that better.